Hey, Crypto Growth Fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network and Songbird, why Fassets will be minted. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of both the Flare Network and Songbird at the time of the recording. So, guys, this is Flare FLR, guys. It is up 9.83% for the day, guys. Check this out. It went all the way from 0.03308 all the way to almost 4 cents. 0.038. So yeah, if you look at the 7-day chart, guys, it is up 5.10% in the last 7 days. It went as low as 0.0284, and check this out. It broke through this 7-day resistance line of 0.035, and it is on its way back up. We can get a bigger perspective in the 1 month. So, guys, you know that the entire market basically suffered a bit during the last few days, a week or so, because of Bitcoin's all-time high, and then volatility being there in the market, guys. Flare being no different, it also suffered a bit. It went down from almost 5 cents all the way to 0.028. Yeah. So yeah, this was a crucial line, guys. 0.041. Now let's see how much time it takes for Flare to get back to these levels, because this crucial resistance over here of in the monthly, this has been penetrated. So I think that now Flare would be on its way back up. If we look at the yearly, so yeah, I told you guys before as well that the support level might be tested again, because when it when it broke out through this level over here, 0.041, went up, people thought that yeah, it is going, it won't stop, but that's now how it works mostly. If we look at the technicals along with the fundamentals, most of the time when a crucial resistance breaks out, price goes up, but yeah, it comes back down and basically tests these levels. Although I thought that maybe it will test this level over here and then go back up, but over the broader market sentiment got bearish, and then it came down and tested that this support level over here. So yeah, 0.035, now it is on its way back up. It's only a matter of time, I think, that it comes back up to this level, tests this out, and breaks out from this. So yeah, guys. Uh, Flare is truly underrated at the moment still, although it is a $1.3 billion market cap. But for what it is providing to the market, guys, I've told you guys, it is undervalued and underrated. Check out Songbird. Let us look at the yearly directly, what's happening. So, in terms of Songbird, guys, Songbird also came down. It went in the yearly chart, it went all the way from 0.004 all the way to almost 2 cents. And since that time, it has come down as well. But, guys, Songbird has got a surprise for us in April. The Fassets basically launching on it, so I do not think that it will go any further down. And these are the levels that it will consolidate for a while before heading onwards and upwards. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Both of these assets are phenomenal, guys, in my opinion. So I've got a really, really good article for you guys. I'm going to be skimming through this, but you have to read this on your own. This is a long article, so yeah, you have to check this out yourselves, because there are a lot of intricacies and technicalities in this document, or in this article, so you have to check that out. So this is why F assets will be minted. The profit opportunities and price impact, basically. So today we bring you a feature-length edition, then leading you through a deep dive that will have your hooves digging up dust like the bull on the Lambo logo. F assets go live on Songbird after public beta testing through April. Like I told you guys, it is time to dissect the F asset system, the earning opportunities, and what impact they will have on Songbird. So, guys, this is not a hopium sort of stuff, guys. Check this out. They tell you this as well. We present this to you without hopium or shill. We aren't shouting $589 or BTC to 500k. These numbers are facts, and it is up to you to decide how bullish you are. So, check this out. The scarcity of Songbird and how many F assets need to be minted for a supply shock, why you will want to mint F assets, and what profit opportunities are in the F asset system, what price impact from F assets could have on the Songbird token. So, first of all, the scarcity and supply shock. Basically, this is the F asset system makes use of Songbird, makes use of Flare, guys. It basically uses them as a collateral. Check this out. If the entire market cap of Songbird were used as F asset collateral today, and the collateral were spread equally across each F asset, amount of F assets required to consume Songbird market cap as F assets collateral. Check this out, guys. BTC 0.00099%, and these numbers. Check this out, guys. I mean, this is awesome. The numbers show that a tiny percent of each F asset would need to be minted to consume the entire market cap of Songbird. So just a small percentage of F asset would be needed to consume the entire market cap of Songbird, guys. Do you realize how big this is? However, when we do these calculations, there is always a niggling feeling that we aren't factoring in dormant Songbird on exchanges, or dormant wallets that receive the airdrops and never wrapped or delegated to an FTSO. So for this feature edition, we decided to recalculate. The best way we can determine if a wallet is okay, so basically they're recalculating, and after that recalculation as well, these are the percentages. This is nothing, guys. A small percentage is required to consume Songbirds market cap, guys. So why mint F assets and profit opportunities? So why mint F assets in the first place, guys? That is the question. So why mint it? The first and most obvious reason for individual investors is to learn the minting process and test the waters. Once you have minted some F assets, you will likely be familiar with various DeFi use cases such as DEX swaps and liquidity pools. Guys, you already know about DEX swaps and liquidity pools. Unique rules in the F asset system are liquidators and challengers. These rules protect the system and therefore will offer meaningful rewards. So basically, minting F assets will provide you passive income opportunity, rewards, and there are multiple functionalities of F assets, guys, as well. And the mechanism goes in this way. There are liquidators and challengers. The liquidators pump F assets back into the system whenever an agent is under collateralized. They are compensated and rewarded in SGB, guys. So awesome. Challengers, a challenger keeps watch over agents and reports suspicious transactions, again compensated in Songbird. So basically, this is keeping the network intact, rolling, security is consolidated. So this is awesome. Arbitrage traders will also drive demand for minting F assets. The arbitrage traders are everywhere, guys, from e-commerce to crypto, everywhere, guys. F assets offer constant arbitrage opportunities. Usually, arbitrage traders watch the markets for price anomalies. A basic arbitrage trade would be to observe various exchanges until there's a price difference in an asset, say XRP. The trader buys the cheap XRP on an exchange X, transfers it to exchange Y to sell it for the higher price. The trade is profitable. So obviously the arbitrage goes that way. We all know that. So F assets tokens are not pegged to the underlying asset they are minted from. They are individual tokens. So FXRP can have a different price to XRP, and FBTC can have a different price to BTC. Now this is the beauty of F assets that we are talking about, guys. Not just one rich one wrapped asset. It doesn't work that way exactly, and so on for each F asset. This creates a constant arbitrage opportunity. If XRP is priced at 50 cents and FXRP is priced at 55 cents, an arbitrage trader buys FXRP and wins FXRP, gaining a profit of 5 cents per token minus fees. So this arbitrage opportunity also drives the demand for F assets, guys. So this is awesome. At this point, we can all agree that Songbird is as scarce as unicorn dung and that the F asset system is going to be a constantly active profit generator. The final and most exciting element of this edition is to look at how all this impacts the Songbird token price. So check this out, guys. Price impact on Songbird price according to this calculation, this mathematical calculation, $38.34, guys. Do you guys think that can it reach this place? This is pure maths. They're trying to prove this with maths. This is not just hopium. This is they're trying to be realistic and calculate based on maths. And I like these calculations when maths gets involved and we get that sort of calculation. This is awesome. As explained earlier, we need to crunch the numbers again using the WSong SGB market cap in order to reflect any only participating tokens. So totally, they're trying to prove this according to maths. So check this out. In summary, we have shown you facts and figures of scarcity, demand, and price impact on Songbird. These are facts, not hyperbole, no shilling or wishful thinking, just straightforward math that you can research yourself. We tried writing some counter arguments just to play devil's advocate. We tried to disprove the idea that Songbird could be a sleeping giant about to erupt with activity, but the counter arguments failed repeatedly. So what do you guys think about this? So do you really think that Songbird can reach these levels, $38 and more, and Flare? Because they're trying to prove this with maths, and this is not just merely wishful thinking, as they say. So I would like to guys, I would like to hear your opinions as well, and do hit the comment box below and let the community know, guys. Because I'm truly bullish on Songbird and Flare Network. To be very honest, I do not know where this will go. We never know, but I really am bullish on them. This is why they're basically the backbone of this channel. I constantly cover them. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.